This 2025 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 29GS is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new grand design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, refrigerator, slide-out, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, water heater, TV, skylight, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, kitchen island, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 29GS is 9,278 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.